Established in 1998, Changzhou Lintel Display is a subsidiary of Lintel Investment Group, adhering to the corporate vision of green display services to the world. After 20 years of efforts, the company has grown into a specialized manufacturer and service provider for eco-friendly display racks of high quality. Guided by the corporate culture, high quality, good service, and innovation, the company provides one-stop display solutions. With the 30-member professional R&D and sales team, Lintel has been awarded with more than 50 national design and R&D patents, designing and manufacturing specialized customized products for the European and North American markets over the years. As one of the core enterprises of the National Advertisement Industrial Park in Lintel base, Lintel has unfolded a new era of automation, informatization, intellectualization. With an area of over 11,000 square meters as modern warehouses and production workshops, the company has established a three-dimensional warehouse and a smart information-based logistics system to ensure the accuracy of warehouse data transmission, timeliness of material delivery, and the neatness and orderliness of the storage environment. Based on the corporate policy of specialization of production, serialization of products, internationalization of standards, the company has established more than 10 specialized product lines to form a complete production network. The solar photovoltaic power generation system of Lintel base ensures the continuous operation of automation equipment on the production line. About 100 works operates in strict accordance with the SOP in the workshops, supporting automatic production and processing equipment, detection and packaging equipment increase the accuracy of product manufacturing. Certified by ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 for years in a row, the company has won recognition of SGS, BV and TUV for its products. Supplied materials and production processes are strictly controlled by quality inspection personnel, with an ex-factory pass rate up to 99.75%. Quality is a core concept that all Lintel staff members value. With an increasing number of youth employed, the company takes employees' happiness as part of its corporate culture and skill development to foster itself to be a culture enterprise. Over 2 decades of exploration and development, Lintel still keeps young, vigorous, and professional. Lintel, driven by the Chinese dream to grow China into a power, will strive for better and more vigorous business in the upcoming 2 decades.